Welcome to Oragetechnologies. It's time to say goodbye to ums and long pauses as Adobe Premiere Pro is introducing new features to help users create smoother and higher quality videos. Let's break down the key points of the upcoming AI update. Filler word detection. Adobe Premiere Pro is introducing an AI-based tool called Filler Word Detection. This tool can automatically identify and remove filler words like ums and hums from both the audio and any transcriptions. It can also identify and cut long pauses in the final version of the video. This feature is part of Adobe's text-based editing tool. Background noise removal. Adobe is using an AI-powered tool called Enhance Speech to process background noise. This tool is designed to make audio sound as if it was recorded in a professional studio by automatically removing background noise. Users will also have the option to adjust the level of background noise with a mix slider. Firefly for Enterprise. Adobe is launching the commercial release of Adobe's Firefly for Enterprise Generative AI. This AI tool is available across various Adobe applications like Photoshop, Adobe Express, and Illustrator. It allows users to create images and vector designs based on text-based prompts. To use Firefly for Enterprise, a generative credits subscription plan is required. Web application. In addition to being available as part of Creative Cloud paid plans, Firefly for Enterprise is also accessible as a web application. These new features and tools are aimed at simplifying the video editing process and improving the quality of audio and video content created with Adobe Premiere Pro. They leverage AI technology to automate tasks such as removing filler words and enhancing audio quality, which can save video editors time and effort. If you are enterprise looking to integrate AI in your softwares and apps, partner with Orage. Technologies is the leading IT solutions company. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned to our channel to stay updated.